No one can say that we're afraid of hard work, but we draw the line at goods trains. What? No, I don't. Gordon, that's not what I was going to say. Oh, really? What were you going to say then? I was going to say, no one can say we're afraid of hard work, but it's obvious we need another engine. We're pulling more trains than usual, and we have less time to rest. And forget trucks, Gordon. Those bloody coaches won't shut up about how tired they are. We're the ones who are pulling them everywhere. Have they never considered how tired we feel? Pah! I don't know about you, but I'd rather have that than the trucks trying to throw me off the line every 20 seconds. I swear, ever since we've gotten busier, the trucks become more and more repulsive by the day. Really? They've been the same as usual to me. Of course. You're Henry, you'll do any job you're given. The trucks know I detest them, so they're bound to make me miserable whenever I'm with them. Though unlike James, I'm perfectly capable of handling them. What? I am capable of handling trucks, thank you. Do you now? I recall every time you're in the yard, you're always biffing them about even they're not being troublesome. Have you ever considered shunting them normally for once? I don't need you of all engines to tell me that. Tell me what's worse, biffing trucks roughly or sending them flying off the line? Oh, here we go. I think you'll find both of those are bad, James. You're both pathetic. I remember on the Great Western Railway. Oh, sod off, you and that lame tin pot railway. Lame? Tin pot? Let me tell you. Silence! Oh, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I wasn't the one complaining, sir. Gordon started it. Oi. Listen, I am aware that you're all tired from the extra workload, and it's evident that you all need more help. And that is why I'm pleased to announce that an engine for goods work will arrive from Glasgow tomorrow morning. Yay! A new engine! Less trucks for me to pull. Oh, finally, I can focus on the Express. A Scottish engine, huh? Now, hopefully the extra work will become more manageable with one more engine.